Waking up in the morning and seeing a notification telling you that you have received $100 and more via direct transfer is one of the best feelings ever. Then after a while, here's another new notification saying that there's another $300 direct payment made into your PayPal account. This has become a common morning scenario to me and to many other people out there who have found this secret I'm about to tell you. You are going to be one of us today. This quick video will show you one of the easiest ways to earn money online you've never thought would work for you. There are 5 apps that will send you money without doing much on your part. Stick with me until the end of this video so you don't miss what these applications are. But of course, this will not work without a little effort on your part. This will not be possible without a bit of effort on your end. But it's completely doable in a few minutes, so no need to worry. These apps are completely free. No credit card or investment needed. Besides, the more apps you sign up for, the more money you are going to make. Before we begin, welcome to the Make Money Online channel, where I will be teaching you up-to-date money-making tactics online and tips on how to multiply your earnings. All these are verified and working, so you better subscribe now and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss anything. I am sure you are all excited, so let's start. The first app is InstaGC. You can get this at instagc.com to earn a lot of money. Simply download it on your phone. Doesn't matter if you use an Android or Apple. This is a legit profile. You can check the InstaGC Facebook page where you will see the company's name and logo. They'll even show a proof of payment in its photos, so you're safe. You will see here, congratulations on redeeming a 66 PayPal. This is an actual payment. When you click on the next button, you will see that another person received another $100 in cash and another $80 via direct transfer into their bank account. You can also get your money through Amazon gift card. Don't worry if you don't have a PayPal or a bank account. There are more proofs here from hundreds of verified people online. The list of proofs goes on and on. Just check them out on Facebook anytime. If you click here, you can see all the activities you can do to earn money online. It is shown here that you can get paid just by taking some basic surveys or clicking a few buttons. If you have a spare 20 minutes every day, or even just 10 minutes, then you can definitely just explore the World Wide Web, browse websites, search on Google, and voila, you will get paid for every minute. Personally, I prefer watching random videos to earn than any other methods you'll see here. Not because I love watching videos, but because all you have to do is click the play button and let the video play. You can do this in multiple tabs at once. Just let it play in the background. Also, you can answer surveys or search on Google to multiply your earning capacity every minute. That's how you can have multiple streams of income in 1 minute in one single app. It's time we move on to the second app. The second app is called App Karma. You can earn rewards and money just by playing with the app for free. No need to spend money. This will operate in either Android or iOS. You can redeem your points through PayPal or via gift cards. Just click this button to download app Karma to your phone. With this alone, you will be able to get 300 points for free. You can get $1 for every 100 points you earn. Just by merely signing up, you already earn $3 without having to do any hard work yet. You can also refer your friends to this app. Multiply your earnings easily by simply sharing your invite link and referral code to your family and friends. You'll get an easy $30 from the amount your referrals earn. So for example, if a friend who signed up through your links earn $100, you will get $30 from it as a bonus. So for example, if a friend who signed up through your link earns $100, you will get $30 from it as a bonus. Make sure you check in every day to get your daily rewards. This is extra money, so don't forget to log in every day. Also, every time you finish a task, you will be rewarded with a corresponding badge, and these badges will help you level up, as you can see here. For example, if you earn $100, you will instantly increase your earnings to $125 by merely using those badges. This is absolutely amazing. So make sure to check your achievements and badges to collect and boost your profits instantly. But before we proceed, take this small break to subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below and let me know how these apps are working for you now. I love hearing from subscribers and audience who actually try these tactics. Now let's go to the third app. It's called CashKick. Simply go to cashkick.com. This app transfers money into your PayPal and bank account just by answering surveys, watching videos, and surfing the web on this website. It's similar to InstaGC, but you will earn more money here than InstaGC. I recommend to watch videos because these will get profits here. Sign up for a free account to get started. Just put in your email address, password, and click this button. Now here's app number 4. It's called SuperPay. Simply go to pay.me and get paid by doing online surveys. These have super fast payment where they transfer your earnings only within 24 hours. They also have a low cash out threshold, so you better give this app a try. You can get your earnings through PayPal, bank transfer, cryptocurrency, or Amazon gift cards. Join today for free and get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. You can take a look at these payment proofs from your screen. You can see here how they cashed out their earnings. This one person here earned 363 cents, $35, $14, and it goes on and on. Just click this button to join for free today. Input your personal information and email address below. Put your payment details here. Click on the I've read the terms and conditions. Then click I am not a robot and create a free account. Here's the last and final app for this video. It's called Smart App. You can find it at smartapp.io. Download this app on your mobile phone and start earning money. You can view the many positive feedbacks this app has been getting from people around the world. All you have to do is answer simple surveys and keep the device linked. Sign up here, input your details and answer the short survey, and wait for your profile to get accepted. You can log in here every day for another passive income in addition to the apps mentioned a while ago. These are the 5 applications that you can download and install today for another passive income stream. If you like this video, I suggest that you look at my other videos in this channel and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.